Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can edit photos using Google AI Studio. This is helpful for enhancing images, removing objects, or changing styles using AI. So, once you're on your aistudio.google.com, what you will have to do is click Playground, which is on your left sidebar. And once you're here, what you will have to select is images, of course. And now you will just have to select your image model, which is either Nano Banana, Imagen 4, Nano Banana Pro, or whatever you prefer. So for example, this model right here. So once you've chosen your image model, what you will have to do is you will basically just upload your picture. So okay. So what you will have to do is it should be somewhere right here where you can upload your pictures. So it's only if you do have that option, of course. So yeah, once you see your upload picture option somewhere right here, you will just have to click that, and then you will choose the file that you want to edit. And then of course you will enter your editing instructions. So in the prompt box, which is right here, what you will have to do is type what you want the AI to change. So it could be something like remove the background, make the lighting softer and more cinematic, or fix the skin texture naturally. But yeah, it really depends on what you want your image to be. So yeah, you just really have to be super specific so that AI will do what you want your picture to be. So yeah, once you're done with your edit, you will just have to click run, which is right here, and AI Studio will process your image and generate edited versions. And yeah, that's basically just it. That's how you can edit your photos easily using Google AI Studio. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one.